If you're watching this video right now, you're already ahead of most people because you're thinking about your future. You're thinking about money, investing, trading, and how to master the game in 2026. This isn't just about making quick money. It's about building wealth, financial intelligence, and understanding the mindset that separates successful traders from those who give up. In this video, we're going to break down how to invest and trade in 2026, the tools you'll need, the mindset you must develop, and how to truly respect money not just as paper or numbers, but as a physical and mental asset. Part 1. Why investing and trading in 2026 is different. The financial world in 2026 is not what it was even 2 years ago. With AI-driven platforms, automation, social trading, and decentralized finance, anyone with a smartphone can start building wealth. But just because access is easy doesn't mean success is. The average person still fears risk, still holds limiting beliefs about money, and still looks at trading like gambling, and that's why they lose. Trading and investing today is about using tools and data, not emotions. You have access to apps like Robinhood, Binance, eToro, and interactive brokers, which offer commission-free trades, education, and AI tools to guide you. But the real tool is your mindset. That's where everything begins. Part 2. Where to start investing if you're a complete beginner. Start with investing, not trading. Why? Because investing is long-term. It builds patience, discipline, and teaches you how wealth compounds over time. Start small. Even 10 or 20 weekly into index funds like S&P 500 ETFs, for example, VU or SPY, can build a foundation. Use apps like Public, Sophie, or Wealthfront. Learn about dividend stocks that pay you passive income every quarter. Don't wait to have more money. Start now, and you'll have more later. Part 3. Learn the basics of trading. Once you understand investing, move to trading. This is short-term and requires skill. Learn how to read candlestick charts, understand support and resistance, volume, momentum, and market psychology. Use platforms with demo accounts first like TradingView or MetaTrader and study patterns. Join online communities, but don't copy blindly. Your risk tolerance, capital, and mindset are unique. Stick to a trading plan. Don't chase hype. Avoid trading with borrowed money. And never trade emotionally. To become a successful trader in 2026, you must commit to learning daily. Read, study, reflect. Don't chase signals, build your own strategies. Start small, grow slowly, and think long-term. It's not about one lucky trade. It's about consistency. And finally, work on your money mindset. Think like an investor. Act like a professional. Respect every dollar, and let your habits reflect where you want to be, not where you are. Remember, the future belongs to those who prepare for it. And you, just by being here, are already getting ahead.